Guys, we are asked to find the value of p in this question. First, we will write the question for it to be x to the power p should be equal to x exponent 6 over x exponent negative 5. Applying the negative exponent rule to the denominator, which is if we have a exponent negative 2, which is give us 1 over a squared. So in this case, our denominator becomes x to the power negative 5 will give us 1 over x to the power 5. So our question now becomes x to the power p giving us x exponent 6 all over 1 over x exponent 5. This now becomes x to the power p giving us x to the power 6 times x to the power 5. We then have x to the power p. We apply the laws of indices again to this one. So if we have a to the power squared multiplying a to the power 3, so numbers with the same base multiplying, we add the exponents, which give us a squared plus 3, which will give us a exponent 5. So applying the same law to x exponent 6 times x exponent 5, we have x exponent 6 plus 5. So our xp exponent p becomes x exponent 11. Since they have the same base, for these expressions to be equal, the exponents must also be the same. So therefore our p is equal to 11.